Hey, what's up everyone? In this video, let me show you how to fix Instagram story views not showing. Now, if you're having this issue this one time and is not a regular issue, this is a simple fix that you can try out. So you can just hop out of your Instagram app and try to clear the data and cache of your Instagram app. Tap and hold the app of Instagram and then head over to app info. If you don't see the app info option, you can also head over to the settings of your phone and then find the app of Instagram. Once you're inside of this setting, tap on clear data and then tap on clear all data. What this will do is clear out any unwanted caches and will also log you out of your Instagram. Once that is done, you can try logging in back. If this issue is still not fixed, what you can do is try to check for any new updates available. So head over to the Play Store or the App Store, search for Instagram and make sure you update the application. What you can also try out is uninstall the app of Instagram from your phone and then again reinstall and log in. By doing these couple of steps, you should be able to views now start showing up. If none of these steps work out, what you can also do is try logging into your Instagram account using a desktop or even your phone using a web browser. Search for instagram.com, type in your credentials, and through this process, you'll be able to see your Instagram story view count. That's pretty much all for today's video. I do hope this guide video did help you out. I'll see you in the next video.